Roy Sullivan was a Virginian park ranger who's lucky to survive being struck by lightning. Oh, what's that? Not special? How about surviving being struck by lightning 7 times in his life? Yeah, he holds the Guinness World Record for being the human lightning conductor. This all started in 1942 when he was 35. While working as a park ranger in Shenandoah National Park in Virginia, a thunderstorm suddenly brewed and a bolt of lightning struck him, burning a half-inch strip along his right leg, hitting his toe and leaving a hole in his shoe. The next strike was in 1969 while he was driving his truck. Lightning struck the trees on the side of the road, which jumped to his truck, striking him unconscious. It burned off his eyebrows, eyelashes, and also set his hair on fire. Luckily, he survived. The third strike was in 1970, and this one was quite gnarly, as while he was sitting in his front yard chilling, lightning hit a nearby power transformer, which then jumped to his left shoulder and seared it. In 1972, Roy would have his 4th encounter with lightning while working inside a ranger station. It again set this poor guy's hair on fire. He luckily had a wet towel to extinguish the flames. And in 1973, while on patrol, he saw storm clouds forming. At this point, he had an inkling of an idea that he should get away from it, and that's exactly what he tried to do. He got in his car and drove as far away as possible, but the clouds seemed to follow him, and just as he thought he was out of range, he got struck. Man, he's electric. You'd think at this point his luck would have run out, but nope. In 1976, while walking along a trail, he again saw clouds forming above him, and though he tried to escape, it struck him, this time injuring his ankle. And now comes the 7th time, which happened in 1977. He was struck by lightning while fishing. This time, it was strong enough to finally hospitalize him for burns on his chest and stomach. The odds for a human to be struck by lightning over an 80-year span is 1 in 10,000. The fact that he was hit 7 times in his life means that his odds were roughly 1 in 10 octillion. To put that number into perspective, there's an estimated 100 billion stars in each of the 100 billion galaxies in the observable universe. To reach 10 octillion, you would need 100 million times more stars than currently exist in the universe. It's insane.